Good morning, guys. Hello, we are going to learn law of cosines. Derive the formula law of cosines or derive law of cosines. Law of cosines is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2 bc cos a. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2 bc cos a. So draw a triangle in the first quadrant. That is easy for our derivation. A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle, and the vertex A is xy, so that x is equal to x is the distance from B to the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base B is, let it be D. So x is equal to BD and AD is equal to y, perpendicular distance from A to BC. And say ABC are the sides of the triangle. Small a is the opposite side of capital A, small b is the opposite side of capital B, and small c is the capital C. So sine B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is y, hypotenuse is C. So y is equal to C sine B. And cos B. Cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, x by C. So y is equal to C cos C sine B and x is equal to C cos B. X is equal to C cos B. So consider the triangle ACD. Consider the triangle ACD, or from the triangle ACD. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Hypotenuse is b square, b square. Then height square is y square, plus base is, total distance is a minus x the whole square. When you expand this, you get b square is equal to y square plus, when you expand a minus x the whole square, a square plus x square minus 2ax. So b square is equal, what is y? Y we already derived that. Y is equal to c sine b. Substitute c sine b there. So c sine b the whole square plus a square plus x square c cos b the whole square. X is c cos b the whole square minus 2a, x is c cos b. Then b square is equal to c square sine square b plus a square plus c square cos square b minus 2ac cos b. Okay, now C square common factor, sin square b plus cos square b. Plus a square minus 2ac cos b. So sin square b plus cos square b is 1. So c square into 1, that is c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b. That is b square is equal to c square plus a square. Then c square is similarly, c square is equal to, after c, a square plus after b square minus 2, after a, b, and after c, a, then cos, after b, c. So that is the third formula. Second formula, c. So after c, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2, after b, c, after a, b, bc, cos a. So these are the formula for cosine. So cosine formula. Thank you.